everyone, and welcome back to my channel. So today I have an Old Navy try-on haul, and I will also show you how I style my Gucci belt with all the outfits. And I'm very excited because I recently got this belt not too long ago, so I am just like trying it out with so many different styles. I love this belt, you guys. It definitely changes the way that your outfit looks. It looks more stylish, more chic. So before we get started, I wanted to say welcome if you are new around here. My name is Fabiola and I create fashion and beauty videos. So make sure you click that subscribe button and also click on the bell so that way you get notified when new videos are uploaded. Also make sure to check out my blog, FABIOLAGBEAUTY.com. I try to post as many pictures as I can from the products that I show you guys and the outfits and different looks. And also make sure you check out my Instagram as well. So that being said, let's move on to the video. For my video, you guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe, rate, and comment, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.